Hello everyone. Welcome to TYBSC class in Physical Chemistry. Physical Chemistry में अब हम बात करेंगे कलरोमेट्री. So let me start. Colorimetry is an analytical method for determination of concentration of substance or intensity of color of the solution. So क्या मीनिंग हुआ इसका? कलरोमेट्री एक ऐसी एनालिटिकल मेथड है जो किसी भी सॉल्यूशन की कंसंट्रेशन हम जान सकते हैं और इंटेंसिटी ऑफ द कलर सॉल्यूशन और किसी भी कलर सॉल्यूशन की इंटेंसिटी जान सकते हैं. सो कंसंट्रेशन और इंटेंसिटी we can find by colorimetry. So what is the principle of colorimetry? Electromagnetic radiation pass through color of the solution. So some radiation is absorbed by the solution and other radiation transmitted through the solution. So here we can draw one diagram. In this beaker we can take solution any. Here we can examine. This is the Kamenophor solution. Here we can transmit the electromagnetic radiation. Here we apply electromagnetic radiation. Electromagnetic radiation. So क्या कहा? Electromagnetic radiation pass through the color solution. So some radiation is absorbed. So electromagnetic radiation यहाँ color solution में pass हो गए. So some radiation is absorbed. Absorbed by the solution and other radiation transmitted through the solution. और जो बाकी के रेडिएशन है वो यहां से ट्रांसमिटेड हो जाएंगे. सो ये प्रिंसिपल है कलरोमेट्रिक का प्रिंसिपल. इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक रेडिएशन पास थ्रू एनी कलर सॉल्यूशन. सो सम रेडिएशन इज एब्जॉर्ब्ड बाय द सॉल्यूशन एंड अदर रेडिएशन इज ट्रांसमिटेड बाय द सॉल्यूशन. सो color of solution depend on the concentration. Whenever color of solution, here Kamenophor solution 0.1 molar or a normal Kamenophor solution means high concentration. So उसका कलर कैसा होगा? Violet type. But यहाँ मैं concentration डाउन कर लेती हूँ, 0.01 नॉर्मल कर लेती हूँ. सो कलर कैसा कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा? लाइट पिंक. सो concentration is depend on the color of solution depend on the concentration. Whenever any solution concentration is high, so color will be dark. Intensity of absorbed light does not change with the concentration of the solution. Intensity of absorbed light does change with the change in a concentration. अब यहाँ मैं concentration decrease कर देती हूँ, concentration decrease कर देती हूँ, so automatically absorbed light का जो intensity है will be changed. So absorption is also change. So concentration पर डिपेंड करता है. Intensity of absorbed light does change with the change in a concentration. यहाँ concentration down decrease होती है, so intensity of absorbed light is also change or a decrease. Concentration of solution high. Concentration of the solution is high, so color will be more. And intensity of absorbed light also will be more. Here we can talk. Concentration high है, so intensity is also high. और concentration high है means color of the solution is also high. So ये बात हुई basic introduction of colorimetry. discussing about the Grothus-Draper law. Grothus-Draper law. ग्रोथस और ड्रेपर ने जो लॉ दिया है वो इलेक्ट्रोकेमिस्ट्री का फर्स्ट लॉ कंक्लूड किया जाता है. ग्रोथस एंड ड्रेपर. इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक Now we are discussing about the Grothus-Draper law. Photochemistry. First law proposed by Grothus and Draper. So, फोटोकेमिस्ट्री का जो पहला लॉ मीन्स के ग्रेथस और ड्रॉपर का जो लॉ है वो फोटोकेमिस्ट्री के लिए फर्स्ट लॉ माना जाता है. सो व्हाट इज द लॉ ऑफ ग्रेथस एंड ड्रॉपर? सो ओनली those light which is absorbed by any reacting system can produce the chemical changes. What is the law of Grothus and Draper? Only those light which is absorbed by any reacting system can produce the chemical changes. Any those type of light which is absorbed by reacting system means किसी भी reacting system जब किसी रेडिएशन को एब्सॉर्ब करते हैं तभी केमिकल चेंजेस पॉसिबल होते हैं. एग्जाम्पल, here we can take A plus B or this is our reacting system. Here applied any radiation. इस रिएक्टिंग सिस्टम को मैं यहाँ से रेडिएशन दे रही हूं. सो क्या होगा, ये रेडिएशन को एब्सॉर्ब करेगा, एब्सॉर्ब, और कुछ इसमें चेंजेस हो गए. यहाँ हमें मिलता है प्रोडक्ट मीन्स कुछ भी केमिकल चेंजेस. सो ओनली दोज लाइट विच इज एब्सॉर्ब्ड बाय रिएक्टिंग सिस्टम, दिस इज आवर रिएक्टिंग सिस्टम. ये रेडिएशन हम दे रहे हैं, सो उसे एब्सॉर्ब करके कुछ उसमें केमिकल चेंजेस अगर हो गए. सो दिस इज द लॉ ऑफ Grothus-Draper's law. Now in homogeneous solution है pass electromagnetic radiation. So some radiation is absorbed by the solution some radiation is transmitted by the solution and some radiation reflected by the solution. So, in a homogeneous colored solution, in a pass electromagnetic radiation, so some radiation absorbed by the solution, other radiation transmitted by the solution, and some radiation is deflected by the solution. Here we can draw one diagram of. So, this is the colored solution. In this beaker, this is the colored solution. Colored homogeneous solution. So, here we pass some electromagnetic radiation. So, क्या कहा? Homogeneous solution in pass electromagnetic radiation solution. So, some radiation is absorbed by the solution. यहाँ हम radiation pass कर रहे हैं, so some absorbed. So, this is our absorbed, and some radiation is transmitted. And some radiation is transmitted. Transmitted है, वो absorbed नहीं होगे, directly वो transmitted हो जाएंगे, बाहर निकल जाएंगे. So some radiation is absorbed, some radiation is transmitted, and some radiation is reflected. जो solution की बाहर की सपाटी से ही reflected हो जाएंगे, वापस आ जाएंगे. So this is the Grethers-Dropper law. Now Grethers-Dropper ने आगे क्या कहा? Whenever we have any air or a glass medium, any air or a glass medium, so reflected की amount कम होगी. So reflected radiation only 4%. So we can neglected reflected radiation. So we can write like that: intensity of absorbed light, intensity of light is equal to our transmitted radiation IT plus our absorbed radiation IA plus our reflected radiation. So I naught is equal to IT plus IA plus IR. So we know that reflected radiation is only 4%. So we can neglect. So what is the equation become? IT plus IA. This is the our Graethes-Dropper equation. This equation is Graethes-Dropper equation. I naught is equal to IT plus IA. अब ग्रेथर्स-ड्रॉपर ने आगे क्या कहा? लाइट इज द फॉर्म ऑफ एनर्जी. लाइट इज द फॉर्म ऑफ एनर्जी. सो wherever हम ऐसा कहते हैं एब्सॉर्ब द लाइट, सो क्या मतलब हुआ? एब्सॉर्ब द एनर्जी. सो whenever we should absorb the light, so it means absorb the energy. Absorb the energy. In any photochemical reaction in molecule or atom have high energy level, high energy level, high energy, so it is known as activation energy. So this is the Graethes-Dropper law, first law of photochemistry.